sleep on the money. Who happy, who happy. Right, so basically all I've just done is put the wig cap on and then pin it down according to my head size. So I've just pinned it down at the front to the back and then from the side to the side. Right, so I'm just gonna place this right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna pin it down. To do it, once I do one side, I have to pay attention to the other side just to make sure it's proportionate. Yeah, I think that's good. So I'm just going to pin it down. Okay, so now I'm gonna stitch the lace, the frontal down at the back. Right, so now I'm gonna cut this back out. So I'm gonna start just right here behind the frontal, and then I'm gonna take it all around to the other side behind the frontal as well. And I'm just gonna do it is like in a U form. That's how I'm gonna do it until I finish. So I'm literally just sewing it down from one side to the other in a U form, like I said. So I'm just gonna carry on doing that. There's really not much to talk about, really. It's quite boring, and I'm using just a little bit over 2 bundles. Yeah, so when I get to the top about here, I'm going to fold it. I'm gonna make sure I press it down properly so there is no bump. So by doing that, I'm going to pierce the needle into the weft, and then I'm gonna go into the mesh, and I'm gonna press it down really tight, and I'll probably do that like 3 times. I'm just gonna go on with my, you know, regular stitching. So just finishing up. And the reason I do it in the U form is just so it doesn't separate from the frontal when you style it. Right, so I'm just going to spray just a bit of heat protector. Alright, so now I'm going to straighten it. Yeah, so I'm just going to pop till like close to the end of the frontal, if that makes sense. I don't know. Well, this is where the frontal ends, so I'm just going to pat it just before there. I'm going to press the head down at the back so the line doesn't show, the track doesn't show. I'm not exactly done with the cutting, but I just wanted to try it on, see how it looks before I go and cut even further. I'm gonna cut this lace on the side as well. I'm not gonna cut too much because I like to put it on, see how it looks. Okay, so now I'm going to attach this elastic band on the sides of the frontal here. Right, so now I'm going to do the same on that side. So this is how it looks now, and I'm not really sure I like this length. I don't know, I think I'm gonna go shorter because I don't like how it's touching my neck. I don't know. I don't want to go and cut it too short and then it doesn't look nice anymore, because once you cut it, that's it. There's no going back from that. So, but I'm gonna cut it anyway because I don't know. It makes me uncomfortable, sort of a little bit uncomfortable at the back. So I'm just gonna make it a bit shorter. To be honest, I want to go even shorter, but I'm gonna leave it. Maybe later I'll go shorter, but I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I'm gonna put some mousse at the front and then I'll tie it down. Right, so I'm just gonna leave this for a bit, maybe like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, who knows? Right, so yeah, I think I'm gonna sign out now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've picked up a thing or two to help you towards making your own wake. See you later.